Hello students of Standard 10th, welcome to DAV Mall Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mishra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will start with the new topic, two stories about flying, the black aeroplane. Black Aeroplane is written by Frederick Frost. The lesson Black Aeroplane reflects on how one's judgment gets distorted due to fantasizing and how it creates problems. In this chapter, the narrator is a pilot who is so eager to meet his family and have a good breakfast that he takes the wrong decision of facing the storm instead of doing the right thing. Miraculously, he somehow manages to escape with the help of mysterious aeroplane. Let us see how he escapes. Now let us start the chapter, The Black Aeroplane. It was night time when the sky was clear and the stars could be seen twinkling. The pilot felt peace in being above a country that had fallen asleep while he was flying over France to England. It was 1:30 in the morning and he was fantasizing about holidaying with his family. When the aeroplane was in France, the pilot thought of informing the Paris control personnel about its presence and for instructions. At that time, lights from the Paris city were blaring at him. He informed the control agency, to which they replied with further instructions on directions. The control room at Paris instructed him to turn 12 degrees towards the west. After receiving the instructions, the pilot geared up and followed them while putting the last fuel tank into operation. All this time, he was dreaming about his time with his family, and then he started thinking about having a very satisfactory breakfast at the destination point. He was calm as everything was going as planned. Now, the plane had crossed Paris when he started seeing clouds in the sky. The presence of clouds made it unsafe to travel by air because there were chances of a storm. They were so huge and dark that the pilot compared them with black mountains. He knew he couldn't pass them, as it was impossible to go above them or escape them with the amount of fuel that he was left in the last tank. The right decision would have been to fly back to Paris safely, but the pilot's decision making was clouded by his wish to meet his family. He so desperately wanted to be with his family and have that English breakfast that he had been dreaming all the day. He took the risk of not going back. Thus, he hated the plane right to the storm. It was so dark because the storm that nothing was visible outside the plane. He started losing the control of the aeroplane. The compass and other instruments had also stopped working because of the bad weather. He became helpless. He tried calling the Paris control agency who had helped him earlier but couldn't connect because of the weather. In the midst of nowhere, when everything failed, he saw a ray of hope when he saw another aeroplane in that storm. He felt relieved when he saw another pilot's face and willingness to help him escape the storm. He thought to himself that the other pilot is kind, as he knew that they were lost and was trying to help him. The other pilot took his plane ahead of the lost aeroplane to make it easier for them to follow, while the author followed him like an obedient child. He was also panicking because there was very less amount of fuel left. It was only then that he started coming out of the storm and could see the runway to the land his plane safely. When he turned to thank the other pilot, he realized that the plane that helped him had disappeared as soon as he came out of the storm. The author did not know where he had landed, but was not afraid of leaving his plane unattended. He headed straight into the control room to ask about other pilot. To his surprise, the lady informed him that there was no other plane in the sky except his because of the bad weather. He was left in surprise with a lot of questions unanswered in mind. In this way, the pilot landed safely with the help of one aeroplane. Now let us quickly recapitulate the story. The story Black Aeroplane is about a pilot who feels happy and contented to fly over a city that is sleeping at the night time. He is flying from Paris to London. While taking his flight, he dreams about the long holiday with his family. He also fantasizes about the splendid breakfast he would have upon landing. As soon as he crosses Paris, he gets a look of the dark clouds that were a sign of upcoming storm. The right decision would have been to turn back to Paris for the sake of safety. But he, being overshadowed by his dream and not wanting to delay them, risks his life of his passengers and heads straight into the storm. Everything gets dark. He is unable to see. All the direction instruments stopped functioning and he lost control of the plane. When all hope was lost, he saw another plane whose pilot was more than willing to rescue them. The author was panicking as there was very less amount of fuel left. The pilot guided them out of the storm and disappeared as soon as they saw light. Upon landing, when he asked the lady in the control room about the other pilot, he is left in shock when she says that his was the only plane in the sky. Dear students, based on our today's topic, here is a short assignment for you. Have a nice day. Thank you.